Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your passcode on Revolut application. It's pretty simple to do. So first of all, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now let's get started. So when you open up your Revolut application, you're going to be redirected to this homepage and you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Then you will be redirected to this page and you're going to scroll down until you see security and privacy. You're going to want to click on that. After this, you want to change your passcode right there at the top where it says change passcode. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to enter your existing passcode right here. And after you enter your existing one, you're going to create a new one. So yeah, that's how simple it is. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.